Please do so. List
Yeah,
me
it
to
has
in that.
started. Yes, we are now in the long recording of us talking.
Yes.
Welcome back, Dev, from the last episode, and now Nihal.
We have a
New guest,
Guest.
new guest or permanent addition
or
depending on his
permanent addition.
regularity.
Yes, yes, yes. New guest or recurring star.
Depending on the regularity of this said guest.
Yeah, yeah.
Please welcome Nihal Shivakumar, guys.
Thank you.
Featuring one bit of pasta
Arey.
And an apple, and one apple which
and a
is
little
started.
apple.
What? Okay. The chemical compounds formed as a result of the transfer of electrons from one atom of an element to another atom of another element is called ionic bonding. Again, I thought these atoms come from plastic bottles, but
They actually come from atoms.
they come from the atoms come from atoms.
Yeah. It comes from my
You are
watch.
wrong, bro.
Yeah,
They
actually.
come
Comes
from
from my
gamma
watch.
radiations. What do you mean, bro? They come
Yeah,
from gamma
my-
radiations.
Yeah, bro. Hulk's just emitting atoms daily.
Hell, I could even argue the fact that light gives off these electrons.
Don't start about light, bro. We have three chapters in physics just for light.
Yeah, array. No, I think there's six, no?
By the way,
Reflection
that
of
is
light is there, refraction is there, through glass plane, through this, through that,
no,
everything.
no, no. By the way, those three chapters are one part of light called refraction. We are not even talking about reflection. We're not even talking about
No,
deep.
reflection is there, no? One of them is reflection.
No, no. Reflection is not there.
Reflection is just angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Oh, so, yeah, yeah. What
I
do you want?
So
Unless you're talking about
that's how
circular mirror. We
that's
don't
how
have
the
circular
mathematics
mirror.
works
No,
for
I
a
mean
circular mirror.
curved
Or
mirror.
circular mirror.
no, no, no. Basically, you throw a ball somewhere, it'll come back to you if you throw it straight.
Hmm.
If you throw it at an angle, it'll come somewhere else,
It'll
and you
come
have to.
back at that same angle, but not towards you, it'll go somewhere else.
That's what basketball has taught me, and that's
Yes, yes,
why
yes.
reflection is used.
Application. Commercial application.
Bonds
Physical
formed between
application.
metals and non-metals are ionic or covalent.
All of the above.
Or covalent. Are you asking
Or
or telling?
electrovalent, not covalent, electrovalent.
Um, Bro, I'll tell you how this thing works. Chemistry, some guy wrote something, then
Wow.
tested it with everything, and then found the exceptions, wrote the exceptions. They
And then
tried
one guy was
minimizing
like,
the exceptions.
no, no, and then one guy was like, what if I taste that?
No, no, no. See, this is a bottle, but this can only store this much water, and it can only do store this kind of water. And if even a bit of any other kind of water is added, this will die in a death hole.
No,
But
no,
this can be classified as a bottle. General definition: it holds water.
no, I'll tell you how. See, in periodic table, ionization potential, they have given the values. Then they have stated boron, nitrogen, magnesium, phosphorus, argon are exceptions. Again, electron affinity. Beryllium, boron, nitrogen, magnesium, aluminium, phosphorus are all exceptions. That too in 20 ka thing, 6 are exceptions. What's the use? Just make everything an exception. We have to study
Yeah.
each
No, no,
element.
no. But
Yes,
then
each
one guy
element.
was like, what if I taste that? What if I put that shit in my mouth?
Another guy is like, let me melt it, let me boil it, let
Another
me
guy was like,
No, it's like when people say, "I am not racist, but," and then
one more guy
whatever they
was
say
like,
after
what if
that,
I
but
break it with a
end of
hammer?
story. I like just why? Wait.
One more guy was like, what if I put a hammer through it?
So ionic, bro, electrovalent compounds is just that that you have to draw the big
Oh my
circles
god.
and draw one arrow
Draw an arrow.
circle where Ray? Where is circle?
The
circle.
only arrows are there
In
in
drawing the this one
orbital
structure
we don't have.
orbital.
We don't
We
have
don't have orbital.
orbital.
Oh, we only have electron dot structure, no?
Yes. Electron dot and
Electron
he
dot
gave one more
structure.
also. I don't remember what it was called.
Ionic equation.
Wait, so
Ionic
electron dot
equation.
structure, do you just have to remember how it's done, no?
Yeah,
Electron
that's
dot
it.
structure. And
And
yeah.
then you can do
Just
it
draw
for
its valence shell with like a daughter X, and then draw the
So
other
basically,
atoms
this
validate
chapter
the
is
daughter X.
ionic bond, electron dot structure, covalent bond, electron dot structure.
Coordinate bond, electron dot structure. Yes.
Coordinate bond is what? Polar covalent bond. I
No,
don't know what a
Not
coordinate
all.
bond is.
coordinate
Actually,
bond.
no, yeah, all only. Yeah.
No. Coordinate bond is when instead of the atom giving one of it and taking one from the other, I
It's
give
one
you.
atom giving all of it.
I give you.
Bro, it's one Sadguru. He's giving
You are
everything.
getting. I am giving wholeheartedly.
He's Tarun Rupani.
Yeah, he's
Where,
Tarun Rupani. Sir Tarun Rupani.
Coordinate bonds are
He
Tarun
gives.
Rupani. He gives for free.
where is
No,
Only for
when
you,
coordinate?
ICSE students. Only for you.
Where is coordinate
My
bond?
ICSE students, even though I'm a CBSE teacher, I've
Yeah.
gone through
The
ICSE.
bond formed between two
Hence, only
atoms
for
by
my
sharing a pair of
ICSEs.
electrons provided entirely by the combining atoms but shared by both is called coordinate or dative
Provided
bond.
by the combining atoms, but shared by both. Ah, now you're eating what, bro?
How does this work? Like,
I
no, no.
lost you the second you said covalent.
That
The
was
bond formed
coordinate.
between two atoms
He
by.
said coordinate covalent.
I
And
said
bro was like,
coordinate.
okay.
I didn't even say covalent.
You said
Uh,
coordinate. Huh?
yeah,
Yes.
he said coordinate. He's like supplied by both. Or supplied by the combining atoms, shared by both.
Wait, let me go back to that page.
You saw the Selena one, bro. Do you have Selena?
Oh, okay. So
It's a
two
covalent.
atoms combine, but combine and share electrons, but they only share like one guy's electrons.
Yeah.
NH3 is there.
It's not sharing.
Wait. I'll tell you. I'll tell you.
It's
NH3 is there.
basically taking.
NH3 is there.
Yeah.
Take a positive hydrogen atom. What does
Hmm.
that entail? No electrons, correct?
Yes.
Now put that guy next to that NH3, it will become NH4. How? It's taking one of the lone pairs of the
Hmm.
NH3. That's it.
Yes.
And basically, I'm holding a basketball. You're playing. You're trying to snatch
Wow.
it from coordinate covalent. You're
No, no.
trying to
So
get it.
basically, we are like, okay, guys, let's do potluck. I bring biryani. He brings dosa. He takes my biryani but doesn't give me any dosa, and I have to share the biryani between.
He doesn't even bring dosa.
Yeah.
So he
He
That's
doesn't
doesn't
bring.
okay.
bring
Wait.
anything.
I'll tell you.
I bring
Take the
biryani, he brings
biryani
nothing, and
example
then
of a
he eats my
potluck.
biryani. That's
Wait,
it.
wait.
Come on. I
I'm
just
holding
made
a potluck.
biryani. I went to your home. That's not
Wait.
potluck. You, I
I'm
know you
bringing
made
potluck.
pasta. I'm coming to your house for
Arey, you
pasta.
wait.
Yes.
You wait. I'm holding potluck. You
Hmm.
bring biryani. I am
Hmm.
having my dosa or whatever.
Hmm.
We all are invited. I told all of you it's a potluck. Nihal
Yes.
comes over saying, "Hi, what bro? What bacha? How are you doing?" He's like, "I'm like, what do you bring?" He brought nothing. He brought his phone in his wallet. That's it.
Yes.
That's all he brought. That is a coordinate bond. He'll bring himself. Yes, I am here.
I,
Eat food.
I'm coming to your house for pasta. Coordinate one. Khatam.
Exactly. That's it.
Full stop.
So we
Okay.
will have
Now
to share
this.
with him. He won't give shit back, bro.
Now let me give me a second. I want to get something to eat.
Bro got
All the
hungry.
food talk, bro.
See this properties of metal. It
Why are you
exists
still
in
on
solid
metallurgy,
state.
bro?
Yeah, no, I just
Wait, they
started.
changed it again. I'm gonna
What?
murk these people, bro.
What is this?
I don't know. They gave a second message and deleted the first one.
They increase the cost.
No, it's 2500 only. Now, wait. So they want us to spend 5,000 like from our pocket, like before going to the trip. 2,500, they said bring with you.
Mm-hmm.
Bring 2,500, and then they were like, do this also, much.
Yeah, please do it, man. Don't be cringe, bro.
I told I was sick yesterday, no? I mean, I still am, but I was like very sick yesterday, no? Sneha auntie called my mother saying, ma'am, will he be able to come for the trip? For the trip. Don't care about it, for the trip.
English.
For the trip, will he come?
What pre-books? Who cares?
Who cares? Trip.
You come to Jaipur, no? Oh. No, no. Where are you
Jaipur,
going?
Anta.
Amritsar, no?
Uh,
Where is going? Shimla.
Shimla, Amritsar. I got cough and cold, by the way. She's like, ma'am, will you be able to come? Or, no. She didn't
By
come
the
for
way,
pre-board.
don't come for pre-boards.
No, no.
Make care.
She called with the intention of asking why I skipped the pre-board. Ended with the intention, will he come to trip or no?
Who?
Yeah,
She messaged her and Chinni auntie and my mom.
see, properties of metal. Melting and boiling
You
point
are
is
still
high.
on properties of metal. This is the 15th time you have read the same line.
No, no,
Properties of
no.
metal.
See the exceptions. Melting and boiling point is high, except sodium, potassium, mercury.
Where? What chapter?
Density is high, except sodium, potassium, calcium.
Metallurgy.
Ductility is high, yeah. Can be drawn into wires, except zinc and mercury. Malleability can be beaten into sheets, except zinc. Is there any more exceptions?
Except the not exceptions. Yes.
Metals form basic oxides, except
Where is this?
aluminium, lead, and zinc, which are formed amphoteric oxides.
Oh, page number.
120 each.
Where?
That table, that huge table.
Where is melting point? Yeah.
Now,
High. Exception. No.
sodium, potassium, high. Why don't you just write all metals have high?
Out of the first three periods or four periods of the periodic table that we have, they took like one third of the metals and were like, yeah, there are exceptions, but still not
No, 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 no. You shouldn't write. You should write melting and boiling point is low for sodium, potassium, and except all
wait,
other metals.
we have seven. They just said three out of seven are exceptions.
No, see. They should just say these are metals. Why? Trust me, they are.
Trust me, bro.
Trust me, bro. They are.
Trust me, bro. If anything wrong goes, blame it on Viraf, bro. This
Viraj,
man beat
man,
his
my
ass.
man, Dalal is going to. He's going to pass. We are just following his
Trust
path.
him, bro. Trust him. He
No,
passed, bro. He got degree
chemistry is
also. He's
just
now doctor, PhD, everything, bro.
Yeah, now he's Doctor Viraj.
Trust
there
him,
is
bro.
no, there's no. It's not a theoretical subject. You're just reading off a cheat sheet that
Yeah,
someone else made long ago.
actually, bro,
That's why
You're
actually
reading
studied.
his exam cheat sheet. He used this to pass.
this textbook
And
is
every year
actually.
he keeps updating. I don't know how. You shut up. He just keeps updating every year.
No, he doesn't update. He just types everything once again.
Yeah, with like one or two minor extra details. Extra
No,
details.
that also he's asking for suggestions to change
From
from us only.
no, even lustrous has an exception from Mercury.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mercury is pretty shiny.
can be polished and exist in solid state. The the lustrousness has an exception of Mercury, bro, because it can't be solid.
Bro, graphite is lustrous.
It's not a metal, so it's fine.
No, but
How is graphite lustrous?
Oh wait, yeah, iodine,
This is
iodine.
graphite. This is not shining at all.
yeah, that's what. How is
No.
graphite?
Sonority, no, or sonorousness,
Huh.
whatever it is.
Hmm.
Yeah, I told that to the guy who was asking me questions. Bro was like, nah, that's wrong. Metals aren't sonorous. I'm like, bro, hit me with the
Wait,
oh,
let me find a metal.
No,
Metal. What sonorous? Okay.
nah, what
That's
sonorous, bro?
metal. This is non-metal. Same
This is
sound.
non-metal. This is non-metal. Sound is there. Wait.
No, no. See, I'm
This
gonna
is a
smash
metal.
against it.
This is a metal. Same sound,
zinc.
greater pitch. That's it. Not even
Sound
pitch,
is there.
amplitude.
So basically, ductile means higher pitch.
Ductile with higher pitch. Ah.
Ductile. Ductile.
Ductility.
Wait.
Guys,
What was it called again? What was it
Ductile.
called? Sonorous.
blame it on the
No.
ductility, guys.
Wait, ductile means, oh yeah. Ductile
Ductile is
means
the copper thing, bro. Copper become wire. Lal.
no. It's every metal
You
except
don't know.
zinc and mercury.
No, I know. I'm saying ductility. How do you relate ante atla? Except zinc and mercury.
Mercury. Bro, mercury is one exception. It's not a
Mercury,
metal.
everything, bro. See, even boiling point, it's very low, but density very high. Yes. Very
Why
high
is
density.
mercury a metal, bro?
Put it
No,
into
Why is it
normal
metal?
food.
because Dalal said.
The answer is said.
Don't ask. I was thinking only proper metals have exceptions.
Now, like
Non-metal. They are
density low,
non-lustrous.
exception diamond. Ductility
Yeah,
low,
diamond.
exception carbon fiber anta.
Carbon
Where have
fiber.
you seen carbon fiber rods? Okay. Where have you seen wire, bro? Where are
Okay,
you getting carbon fiber
the Selena
wires from?
book is written by this guy called S.P. Singh, MSc, B.Ed, MBA, and
Let
PhD.
me read out Viraf's shit. He got a master's in science, PhD, and
MBA.
APRIA.
They needed to find someone with an MBA to write a chemistry book.
MBA.
MBA.
Bro, this guy, MSc, LPRI, the youngest of the family of three. Why do I want to know how?
Youngest of the family. Achievement.
Three brothers.
Where,
He has three brothers. The eldest is a nuclear physicist in
where is
US.
this written?
Bro,
Oh,
bro.
yeah, yeah.
I,
Family
I
of
am
three
also youngest
brothers.
of family of three. My family consider father, mother, child. I am youngest
Bro,
I am also youngest of my family, of six.
of. Yeah.
this guy, Viraj Dalal, is the black sheep of their family.
Bah,
Yeah, the eldest is a
nuclear.
nuclear physicist in USA. Another is a
Aunt in
house
London.
in London. This guy is
Six in
writing
India.
a chemistry textbook.
This is writing a great chemistry textbook.
But the black sheep also has the privilege of being invited to over 300 principals of
Hey,
reputed ICSE schools.
Arey, you
Talk
know,
about chemistry.
both of my old schools have recommended this book. Like, I found my old schools in this book. Like, there's a list of people who recommend this.
Uh, Not a list, bro. It's a brochure. It's like some
Brochure
50
anta.
pages. Some 50 pages is there for that only.
No, actually, I found my damn school in this book. Where is it? Andhra.
What
Maharashtra.
are Why are ionic compounds stable? Ionic
I
compounds are
can't do
formed by ions,
That's
but there
stable.
also exists a repulsive force between ions. Since the electrostatic force of attraction between the opposite charges is higher, it makes the ionic compound stable.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look at this, bro.
How do you draw electron dot
The
structure?
fourth. Okay. Go to acknowledgements, page 3, or the Roman
Wait, wait,
numeral
wait.
3.
See,
The
here in
fourth
electron
one
dot
is my
structure,
damn
they
school
first.
person,
Hey,
bro.
give me a second. In electron dot structure, first they draw the dots, then they write Na plus plus Cl minus or NaCl. Shouldn't you write the other way?
What do you say?
What?
No, wait.
Bro,
Yeah,
they said, okay, move on.
let me just pull out the.
1 second, I'll go.
Turns out my whole school is not there. It is.
So first you write Na. Wait one second. Electron dot structure. Example NaCl. So
Bro, is there a Kolkata in Karnataka?
what in Karnataka?
Kolkata.
It's a
Kolkata. Calcutta. Whatever.
Calcutta in Karnataka. Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, there's a review here by Miss S. Gomes, the principal of the Assembly of God Church School, Toligang, Kolkata, Karnataka. Like every other Kolkata is West Bengal, but this one lady is from Karnataka apparently.
Could it be a misprint?
If it is, then Dalal
Shame
got
on Dalal.
shame on that.
y'all will hear very violent fan spinning sounds.
That was very violent. More
Yeah.
violent than I was expecting. What? Wait, this is electron dot structure. No,
If you mean that black and white thing which I cannot read,
this part, this part.
I don't see anything.
Just pin my
All right,
video.
five dots in a line.
What?
Yeah, I have zero clue. I only can read electro-violent part.
Oh, wait, no, full screen my thing.
Okay. No. Yeah. Now your quality just decreased.
Insane.
Nitrogen, oxygen. Are you doing?
Nitrogen, oxygen now.
Wait, there's a chlorine, NaCl. You're doing NaCl.
Huh.
Yes, I can see. That's not. That's electro-violent. Does chlorine have 8 dots inside its
N-
bracket?
no, it's 7 dots.
But in the brackets, it should have 8 dots.
What? Oh, okay, like that.
Without even seeing, I found your mistake.
And the eighth dot should be the other element electron, no.
Yes, there should be an X probably.
But then the metal should be plus, but the non-metal should be the dot.
Yep.
One more example, aluminum chloride. You have to write Cl 3 times, no, in aluminum chloride.
Cl3.
Like, do you
Yeah,
do you write
yeah. You have
you
to,
draw Cl 3 times, or can you just write 3Cl?
no, you have to draw 3Cl and put an arrow to each Cl.
God damn it, bro.
The hardest part is Al2O3, bro. But it
1 hour later.
Electrons are equally distributed between the two
Bro, bro,
atoms.
bro, bro, bro. Wait. Nihal? Or is that me? That's me. Okay. Okay, just look at this, bro. All I'm asking you to do. My bad. Yeah, answer this question,
Wait,
bro.
so non-polar covalent compounds are basically
No,
compounds
no, 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 I don't care. I
are
don't care.
every
Answer this
molecules.
question, bro.
Which what is the question?
Ah,
Question
The
number
bond
8.
between hydrogen and oxygen in water molecule is example of huh? As co isn't that a
What is
covalent
it,
bond?
bro? What is
Isn't it a
it?
covalent bond?
Look
you're
carefully at
wrong.
the options and tell me, bro.
Oh, sorry, I misread.
So what is it there? Who do you think
Sorry,
put that there?
I misread the question. It is
Who
of
do you,
course option D.
James
James.
Bond.
who do you
Yes.
think put that there, Dave?
Who do you think did that, bro?
Uh, who?
Um,
You did that?
Yeah,
yes.
So
obviously.
you
You know
edited
what
the
the original one
you
was? You know what the original one was?
what?
Wonderwalls.
One James Bond.
Like
Hey,
Uh,
James Bond.
put
I
James
mean,
Bond in like 3 hours. Put
Wait, I'll put it
there's a
in.
guy's name there. There's a guy's name here. I think it's the same, bro.
Wait, one second, one second. Just
Wonderwalls, James, same thing.
wait, where is
no
it?
Not Vanderwall. Make it Wonderwall. You know the song Wonderwall.
Not in this letter. So why is everything selected? Who selected everything? Why have you selected everything? Bro had to do bold.
Yeah, you have to make the answer key. Highlight every answer.
Uh,
Wait, actually, good idea.
Yeah,
come
bold
man.
every answer and make that James Bond.
And just make it James Bond. I
Or
think
bro,
that's
I'll tell you the most troll thing you could do.
well
Go to the
actually no
syllabus
no.
and add an extra
If
chapter.
you do that, if you like just like bold every answer, everybody can just produce answer sheets for this in like the span of an hour if you keep writing all this.
No. See, go to the syllabus and add another chapter.
No,
Oh
no.
yeah, go down,
Go to
go
the
down.
syllabus for the damn ICSE.
No, no,
approved
no.
Not
by them.
ICSE. This
No, no, no.
exam.
I'm
This
saying,
exam.
go to the ICSE board and then just add a chapter, and it's just about how James Bond and the movies work.
Yeah, the
That's
James
just the
Bond
entire
series.
chapters. It's just about the
Written
James
by
Bond
Daniel Craig.
series, written by that guy. I don't know the director or the producer,
He's the guy who
but
played
yes,
James
the guy
Bond in
who
the
played
recent
only.
one.
Why did you select everything? Though? Please stop.
Who
I did.
played and got played.
I
Why are
actually
you
did select
actually
it.
doing that?
It's someone else.
Wait, let me reload. Already,
Check
yeah,
who it
it's not
is.
fine. It's fine.
No, it's leopard. It's anonymous leopard.
Who is doing this, bro?
Anonymous leopard, bro. What are you
This one
talking?
also they did, Amma. Unbelievable. Put in italics also. I forgot the J, bro.
Underline it also. Best. Why not?
Underline.
Most, it's the correct
James
answer.
Bond.
Wait, I'll
I
make it
wonder
even
what's
worse.
the correct answer, bro.
Actually, I'll make it even worse.
Like
Different
increase
color,
the
different
font
color.
size.
No, no, no.
Increase
Wait,
the
I'm
font size.
customizing.
Bro's gonna put it in Comic Sans.
Oh
Ah,
my lord.
You get it? You go to the
Lime
page.
green.
That's the first
you
thing
Lime
just
you
selected
green.
everything again. Stop selecting everything.
It's not me.
Well, whoever did it needs to stop, bro. I can't see shit.
Yeah,
Hey, yo,
bro.
bro. Put it in Comic Sans MS. Increase the. No, actually, the font needs to be decreased to match. Yeah, the bro where it blue. Ah,
Wait, wait, wait. Oh,
put
I'm
on
gonna.
13, bro. Make the size 13. Yeah.
Such
Who is
nice
this?
study from you having.
Who has selected the whole damn thing? You anonymous hedgehog. You stop. I can't read shit, bro. Bah, I wonder which answer it is, bro. Covalent bond, ionic bond, metal bond, James bond. Ah,
Wait,
can I like
covalent
remove
bond is
this
basically
mess?
the same thing as ionic bond, but except you draw that box around the shared electrons.
My brother in Christ, what?
Wait.
Bro, that's just like evident to anybody.
My
See,
brother
everyone
in
should.
Christ.
No. The bond between hydrogen and oxygen water molecule is a covalent bond, ionic bond, metallic bond.
Oh, James Bond.
James Bond.
Double O
Wait,
seven.
Dun,
wait,
dun, 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 dun,
wait.
dun,
I'm
dun.
gonna customize it to something like hashtag
Bro,
69.
we are so lucky that we are anonymous, whatever the hell. Because if sir
Yeah,
knew
bro.
what we were, damn, we are going to
James
get
Bond.
expelled,
No,
bro.
sir would have laughed the hell out, bro.
You think sir knows about James Bond, bro? Ask him.
Bro,
I mean,
who
sure he
doesn't
knows of
know?
him. No, I'm saying he
My
knows of him.
mother knows James Bond, and she is the
Your mother
least
does not count as
Western
Santosh sir.
person on
You need
earth.
to understand the difference between Santosh sir and your mom.
Santosh sir is much more Western
I,
influenced than my mom. That is how less Western influenced my mom is.
Wait, I'm gonna make it like 100%. Don't kill me for this. But 1 second.
why did you put it at 19? Why is it? What is this text?
I made it into. There's
What
this
is
option.
Nunito?
Yeah, I put it in Nonito black version.
What is Nunito Black version? Let me see. Let me see.
No idea. I don't want to look
Oh,
either
Let
again,
me
bro.
see.
Nonito,
Stop
keep going.
looking at texts. Show me the thing.
Nunito.
Yeah.
No, no, no. This is the black version of Nonito.
Blah.
Hmm.
Oh,
No, no. Go to Nonito and see the options there.
normal.
Extra,
Blah.
like
Black.
Whoa,
just
whoa,
black.
whoa. Like, wait, what is the original one? Garama. Garamond.
Garam. Garam. Why
Garamond.
is it at Garam?
It's
Oh,
Garamond,
Garam.
not Garam.
Okay. Garamond is like the most widely used. So
I
don't
mean,
ask me why I know that.
personally, I'm more of a Times New Roman guy.
I write in Times New Roman, so
Yeah, that only. Why is it underlined?
wait.
Why is it
Nitrogen is
being
7, no?
reduced? Nitrogen is 7,
Yeah.
huh? Acha, okay,
Yeah.
like that, yeah.
No, bro. Nitrogen is a 10, bro. She at she's not 10 unless she is 10. You know what I mean?
Just like how he is sick unless his mind is not. His
Hmm.
mind is sick unless it is not, bro. Pacifico, bro. Those who just selected the entire thing. Oh my god, Nihal.
That wasn't me. What is this, bro?
I was just changed it to Garam
He's
mode and leave
taking
it, bro.
inspiration from me, bro.
Who is this, bro? Who is this
No,
chiller
put it in
fellow?
Garage only. People will take a while to notice, and when they do, they will laugh.
Hey, that's you
Like,
only, Ray, asshole.
yeah.
It wasn't me. My thing is just there.
No, that's you only. Stop lying. Liar, liar. Dirty liar.
Actually, not me, bro.
Yeah, that's you only, Ray. Green is yours, Ray, dumbass. Yeah, see? Who know my English only there? I'm not doing English.
Anonymous bad, bro.
I'm not doing English.
No, it's anonymous bad.
Yes. That's me, Ray. I'm stopping you. That's all.
Wait, you're a bad. You're
Look,
not the
Ray.
bad. You're a
Look.
hard yellow.
What am I? Look. I'm on the one.
Oh damn. You're anonymous bad. Shit. Hell nah.
That's you only,
Hey,
asshole.
at least
Lying
give
to
back
me.
10.
You like to be straight in my face. What is this behavior, Real? Unprecedented.
Uh, I'm guilty. Wait, what was that thing again? Not guilty
Guilty
to
as charged, bro.
Why is pulverization a crucial step?
I don't know, bro. Almost like you need the
Because
mineral
it
and the
turns the
gang.
ore into the fine powder, which is easily separable using
You go to
gravity.
metallurgy reason. Go.
Yeah.
Good up.
Wow, 1 second.
No,
Wow.
no, because the ore is finely separated, it is much easier to separate using the
Huh. Because it is
pressing
finely
method.
separated, it's easier to separate. Wow.
No, no, finely crushed.
Explain why the froth flotation method is used for concentrating certain metal ores.
Certain metal ores have a difference in
That is
wetting,
wrong.
and when the ore is differentially wetted, froth flotation is useful as the ore floats on the oil or whatever froth is there, and the gang stays down in the water.
Hey, yo, solve this one, bro. There. Solve this one.
Which metal is obtained from zinc? Oh shit! I got stuck on that one last night, bro.
Well, now I'm giving you a second chance. Tell me what is it? Shit.
Is it maybe copper?
What is this
क्या
there?
लॉक
It's
कर
gold.
दिया जाए? Do you want to
It's
lock
gold.
this?
It's
Okay.
gold.
Why out of
Do you want
syllabus?
to lock? Do you want to lock this
Yes,
answer?
yes.
That is incorrect. Eh,
Hmm.
ay, ay, ay. Okay, E. We're adding an E.
E gold.
G gold. Hey, put
Now,
that in yellow.
Nihal,
Yes,
do you
all of
want
the
to?
above. All of the
Nihal, do
above.
you
All of the
want to?
above.
Do you want to lock this answer?
Yeah, make it yellow in color because I like it.
Okay, yeah. Do you want to lock
'Cause
this
it's
answer?
yes.
Guruji, please lock
That
gold.
is absolutely correct.
Thank
Lovely,
you,
Nihal.
guys.
100 points. I don't know where the gold just went. I found the gold.
Good one. The gold is running away because we found it.
Bro disappeared.
See, non-polar covalent is covalent molecules where the shared pair of electrons are evenly distributed.
Yeah,
Polar covalent molecules are shared pair of
unequally.
electrons are not evenly distributed.
You would assume it should be the other way around, but no, it's this way around.
No, no, no. See, I understand, but can you go into more detail? Like for once, this is distributed. This is not distributed. What is it actually? I don't know. It's just not distributed. That's all.
No, no, no. Why is noble gas chemically inert? Because
Ah,
they're chemically inert.
wait. This is the actual question. It's right here. Why are noble gases considered chemically inert and stable?
Because they are.
Yeah.
This is a mania level doubt that
You
you'll only
know the
see in
funny
this
thing
paper.
is, Sir has tried to do it bold make every single question bold by putting two asterisks, but did not work.
What is this?
Mm,
What is this font? Amatic SC Garamount. James Garamount. You anonymous secret. What are you adding? KK.
I wanted to test
Huh?
if it's
KKK? What? Nihal,
no,
what is this?
bro.
Supporting
No, like
discriminatory
actually, if
groups.
you're texting, no, if you put
Supporting
two
what?
asterisks, you know how like if you put two asterisks,
Discriminatory groups. You know what the KKK is, Siddharth?
No.
The Ku Klux Klan.
oh fuck you, bro.
The
Why would you?
what?
Why
The
would you
Ku
bring that
Klux
up?
Klan. How have you not heard of the Ku Klux Klan?
The Ku Klux Klan.
Yes, bro.
Should that be the
No,
KKC?
no. It's Ku Klux Klan with a K. Go Google them up, read for like half an hour. Some messed up shit.
Don't even. Why are transition metals often used in chemical reactions?
Oh?
Why?
I?
The last
Why?
question.
Yeah, bro. No, you know what? Bro? Let's just take half of the periodic table, throw it in the trash can, bro. Why do we need
Yeah.
it? Why do we need it?
Why?
I
Why are
don't
they
know.
using communications?
I have zero. I'm googling that.
Boom.
No, but like actually, why are they used in chemical reactions?
Let me Google, bitch.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. HCl is a polar covalent bond, right?
Yeah.
Wait, polar covalent bonds are soluble in water.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why HCl forms HCl.
That's why HCl becomes HCl. That is why HCl is HCl.
Damn. It wasn't even part of the thing. Bro. The answer, according to them, is transition metals make excellent catalysts as they have incompletely filled d orbitals. Now,
I
what?
wonder.
Insane.
Now, bro, let's just take half of the periodic table, throw it in the trash. Why do you need?
No, I'll tell you what the answer is. Though.
Tell, bro.
Transition metals are used as catalyst. That's it. They're used as
That's
catalyst.
why.
Chemistry.
Why they're used? Because they don't
Chemistry.
have electrons in there, whatever. Same
Catalyst.
chemical process.
Fill in the
Fill in the blank.
blanks.
This one I can do. Electrons in the same dash have similar properties to the same group. Noble gases increases. Most abundant metal in aluminium. Elements in the
Copper.
same. No, it's aluminium.
What?
Wait,
What is
ammonia
it?
is a polar covalent, right?
Most
Yeah.
abundant.
Bro, I'll tell
Wait,
you something.
HCl,
Just remember, anything
HCl.
is with nitrogen.
Yeah, no, I agree with what you said, Nihal. It is. It is.
Is H2 a polar covalent? It is,
I
right?
just googled it up very quickly.
I know
Eh,
my hands are actually occupied. Actually,
I
I don't know what
literally
you're
saw
talking about, man.
it.
I have zero idea what you're talking about, man.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, next question. Elements in the same group often share a common valence configuration. One valence electron. Oh my god.
I wonder, no. They share a common valence electron configuration. So of course they only have one valence proton.
Yeah, obviously. Bro.
That makes
Periodic
sense.
table is divided into 7 periods and 18 groups. CCl4 is a non-polar covalent molecule. Elements in group 2 are known as rare earth metals. No, it's not rare. Is it rare earth metal? No.
Which one?
Alkaline earth metal.
Alkaline earth metals.
The chemical symbol for platinum
Platinum.
PT.
PT.
Noble
PT,
gases
PT, PT.
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 కొంచెం PT. Don't show PT.
Absolutely. PT only.
The noble gases are known for dash reactivity, inert reactivity.
Now tell me why are they inert?
Because
Uh,
they're introverts, bro. Give them therapy.
Yeah,
I
actually,
don't care why they not. You tell me.
because
Give
they're
them therapy.
noble, bro. Why
Because
I'm
they
telling?
have no therapy. They never went to therapy.
Because they're noble.
Yeah, and yeah, okay, fine, sure.
That's why noble.
Calm down with the therapy, bro.
I need therapy.
Bro.
In an ionic bond, electrons are transferred from one to another. The
One
covalent
second. Effect of electricity.
Yeah, yeah. Effect of electricity.
effect of electric. Bro is trying so hard. What are you doing there?
Effect of electricity on electrovalent and covalent bonds.
Yes.
Electricity is conducted by ionic bonds in molten state.
In molten or fused or aqueous state, non-metals just don't do that.
Just don't do it anytime.
Ah,
Anyways, a covalent bond is formed when atoms share electrons. The number of covalent bonds in H2O is 2. Non-metals are held together by a covalent bond. The process of
covalent
sharing
bond.
result ionic compounds are typically composed of metal and non-metallic ions. Cations and what?
No.
Dash and dash.
Cations and anions ions.
What is it?
Cat and anions.
Positive and negative ions. In a
Ah,
polar covalent bond, electrons are not shared equally, leading to the development of partial
Dissociation.
dissociation.
no charges.
Yeah,
Huh?
charge.
Charge.
Yeah,
Charges.
dipole. Your dipole comes here.
The attractive forces between polar and known as dipole-dipole interactions.
That's
Again, why is this there? The sharing of electrons between two atoms can be represented using a
Electron absorption.
They. According to our
Electron.
IIT and our local IIT and Nihal, you see that question
Yes.
number 8. That is not an IIT person.
shut up, bro. I didn't
That's
even
not
say
Instead,
even.
he saw that question above. It's an MCQ also. He saw that question dead in its eyes and said, "That's not an IIT person."
That's not an
After చెప్తే అయిలేదు చేయాలి. అవును. కాదు వేడిగా ఇంకా అంటే ఇదే the- again according to our IIT.
Oh, shit. The sharing of electrons between two atoms can be represented using the electron construction. In a non electrons are shared equally.
Equally because equality.
Okay, good. We'll complete this figure we started. Dash is the process of extracting metal and mining. Mining is the correct answer. Yes.
Yeah.
In metallurgy, the impurities mixed with the ore are often referred to as gangu.
Rangoon.
Gangu. Dash is a commonly used reducing agent.
Ganaung.
Monoxide.
Huh? Commonly used in the extraction of iron.
Bro, I bet you the first five questions are basically the MCQs. Literally.
You want to test out the theory, bro?
Check it.
Actually, I remember that primary over one being there. Hold up.
It's all there.
I Yeah, it's not mining, it's metallurgy.
Wait, let's see the third one. Let's see the
Just
third one.
kidding, bro. Calm down. Third one, metallurgy, impurities, which is which
No, no, next one.
corresponds that. Okay, this was
The,
not that. That's fine. This one.
what
This
is there?
also
Not
not
there.
there.
What is
Mm,
the primary ore is there? Yeah, this is also there.
Primary is there. Not that.
Yeah, go back to fill in the
What is
blanks.
this
We'll
one?
find.
What is this one? Tell me, tell me.
It's wrong.
What is this ray?
Carbon monoxide.
Yes, very nice. I mean, you can use red hot coke. which
Right.
counts as carbon apparently. Yeah, where is it? Here.
The primary ore of
Done.
iron is
Listen.
hematite.
Hematite.
Aluminium is often a method of box. What is it thing?
Bauxite. Wow.
Chemical, chemical method.
Bayes process. No, right.
It's called chemical method.
Bayes process. They gave it a name. Bayes process. What do you mean chemical
Ah,
method?
but the process of heating a ore in the absence of blah 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 to remove blah 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 is
Blah
called
blah 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 blah. It's Bayes process. Shut up. That
it's
is the
cast
only method used for concentration of sulfides.
froth flotation.
Yes, give one blank for three blank answer.
The
The
extraction
extraction of aluminum and from what? The extraction of aluminum from its ore involves the process of mm,
of
catalytic reduction.
no electrolytic
Uh,
reduction.
yes. Chemical
The
compound of
chemical,
iron ore as well as tell me.
the primary ore of iron.
Uh, 1 second.
Who is doing that, eh?
Right now I undid because those things won't be whatever. What is this bro?
The primary ore of iron.
Wow. It's
Copper
copper.
is often refined by a process called what the how will I know it?
We didn't even have copper.
Yeah, copper is refined by
No idea. Copper.
uh,
Magnetic separation probably.
no, refine means
Oh,
this one.
that uh
What was the middle one?
that only coke and all because
Oh yeah, the
electrolytic is all the way up. Below
stage.
it's like normal reduction agents. Yeah.
Yeah, copper is refined by let me electrolytic
Howdy?
or refining. That was reducing
Oh. So what is there only one refining thing?
them. Sorry, my food. Let's continue.
Wow, even I got food. The same one as earlier.
But how much pasta are you eating?
My mom made like enough for like my sister and my dad, the whole family basically. And I'm the only one who can eat it, so I'm just eating in bunches.
But I am also there.
Come, you give,
How do you come? Please, 13 kilometers, nothing big.
come, it's fine. You come to school every day, you can come to my house.
That's yeah, true. Okay, next thing. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite ore using the process of
Mm.
electrolytic reduction.
Chichi, extracted electrolytic reduction and
Yeah,
it's extracted like that only. They'll take bauxite, put in an electrolysis chamber.
then
Wait, what happened? Metallurgy question.
What
Let
do you
me
mean
ask.
then?
yeah,
Wait. What is the
answer.
question?
The
First one.
first one,
Aluminum is extracted from bauxite ore using the process of what? Wait, scroll to the side.
using the process of smelting.
No, it's you. Except what is that process called?
Yes, process.
You better not say electrolysis, but I'm gonna punch you. Bro.
It's not extracted with
Ah, Nihal, come here, bro. I'm going to punch you, bro.
No, no, it's not Hall Herold's process. Sorry,
Electrons is
it's
under.
yeah, Hall Herold's process.
That is
Okay,
basically
Nihal.
electromagnetic reduction.
I retract my earlier statement actually, yeah.
How many times have you done it?
Zero
Extraction of
actually, zero.
aluminum is a Hall Herold's process.
From bauxite though.
Yeah, from bauxite ore. Yeah, that's Hall Herold's process.
In the extraction of copper from HCUS, carbon dioxide is released.
HCUS, yes. Let me add that, hold up. My mistake. HCUS. Carbon dioxide gases.
Here, it's not carbon dioxide, it is H2S. No,
It's sulfur, no?
Mm.
Or
no,
is that
SO2.
sulfur dioxide? Or
Yes,
it's
sulfur dioxide. Yeah.
SO2, no.
roasting, bro. Uh-huh.
SO2, yes.
Yeah, yeah, roasting, yeah.
'Cause it's oxidized. So,
Pause. Used to reduce metals.
I read that as CUS.
no,
This one.
roasting is also technically reducing for
No, it is literally
mercury
oxidizing.
and
You are adding an oxygen.
no, from for mercury and silver, you can remove the oxygen using
Do we have mercury
roasting.
and silver?
Yeah, like because no, that's what in purification, your electrolytic purification, reducing agents like coke, carbon dioxide, and just heating in the presence of air is roasting, and that's what you're doing.
Wait,
No, because.
what?
Bauxite is concentrated using froth flotation method. That's wrong. No, it's concentrated using
Mm-hmm.
Chemical method, Bayes process.
what is their
Hey,
process?
Putting sodium hydroxide.
Yes, sodium hydroxide.
yes.
Making it sodium meta aluminate and then sodium meta aluminate again
Meta
becomes sodium
aluminate. Why do you
hydroxide.
remember that name, bro? Why do you remember NaAl2O3 or whatever?
Yeah,
Na,
NaAlO2.
to be fair,
Yeah, why do you remember that, bro?
I remember that over NaAlO2. And meta aluminate is
right?
dissolved in water to become aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide combining with something becomes aluminum oxide.
No,
Sodium hydroxide or anything. Yeah, sodium hydroxide. No,
no.
it just
You're just
yeah,
heating it.
just heated.
Then what do you get?
Na and
Al2O3,
Al2O3.
alumina, and water.
Water. Metals with low reactivity are often reduced by the process of heating.
Heating, yeah.
Thermal. Whatever.
Thermal dissociation.
Yeah.
Wait, okay, skip periodic table, do chemical bonding, please. I need to.
Covalent bond involve the transfer of
Periodic table.
ionic bond.
Ionic bond, okay.
In a covalent bond, electrons are shared between. In a polar covalent bond. No, non-polar covalent bond.
No, no, no,
Yes.
in a non-polar column, yeah.
No, no, no. Yes, you're right.
No, no, because he said polar first.
No, you said
A
non-polar.
polar
Guys,
covalent bond is formed when electrons are shared equally, that's non-polar. Statement. Ionic compounds consist of discrete molecules held together by van der Waals forces. That's covalent bond.
electrovalent forces.
The term,
No, it's van der Waals for both, no? He said van der Waals for both.
no, it's electrovalent.
Yeah.
It's electrochemical forces, no, not electro. Electrochemical, electrostatic, electrovalent, everything is same only.
It's all electro.
Yeah,
Everything is electric.
the Spider-Man villain. The
The
term
term
cation refers to an ion with negative charge. That's anion.
Yeah,
with
no,
the
he
polar
wrote ionic compounds or ionic bonds are bounded by strong van der Waals forces.
Arey, that
Harry.
Vanderbilt can go kill himself, bro. Okay.
He probably already did, bro.
And do the last five questions.
He's
Period.
dead, I know that for sure. I don't know how. What is the
Just do
causation?
the just do the periodic table
I
also.
didn't see them.
Current periodic table based on atomic number. Have uh, Elements in the same group have similar.
Wait. Which one? Third, huh? Second one.
Yeah, now third one. Noble gases readily form compounds with other elements.
Wait 1 second. How do you do coordinate bond electron dot
Third, huh?
structure?
See ammonium thing.
Ammonium.
Ammonium. Ammonia is normal only. Ammonium is
What did you
what he
ask?
said.
Core
Coordinate.
Coordinate. Yeah. Ammonium.
the atomic size decreases from left to right because increases. First of all, which is left, which is right.
Where are you?
Fourth one.
Atomic size decreases from left to right, huh? Yeah.
Yeah,
It's true.
Yes.
yeah, it is
No, because then what do I correct?
nothing.
Okay. Elements in group 17 are known as halogens.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah.
And
revision work is done.
yes,
Yeah.
orally.
Orally, we learn right.
Yeah. Anyways, I have to study the last four compounds. And
One second. I have to do coordinate bond. A bond formed between two atoms by sharing a variable electrons to and everyone. Okay.
you guys did the four compounds.
No.
Yeah, kind of, but no.
What do you mean, kinda, bro?
I started with HCl and NH3.
Wait. It's not HCl, it's AgCl.
No, that's the old one. Now we updated.
Oh, yeah, updated. That's it. AgCl, bro.
He
Should
didn't say AgC, he just said silver chloride like that.
I just
yeah,
said silver chloride. Randomly just trying to confuse all the ICSE students.
Hmm.
yeah. Because obviously he's the only one for ICC.
Yeah.
So we can't even confirm if it's right or wrong. He's
Yeah.
the only one.
No, but he says HCl for the rest of the video. I guess he just forgot that he was talking about AgCl. So
No, shut the hell up. What he says first is correct. Because why? Because viewer retention is higher in the first 5 minutes
no,
of
that's what
video.
I'm saying. He might have forgotten the fact that he was talking about AgCl and the video is about AgCl and not HCl. And the
Uh,
rest of the video are the errors.
yes, that is correct. That is the correct analogy. Assertion and
Stainless,
reasoning are right.
stainless steel. What is the composition of stainless steel?
Some
The steel, you
iron,
and me.
nickel, and zinc.
Wrong.
Iron, nickel, and cobalt.
No.
Embrace.
Iron, nickel, and aluminum.
Nope.
What then?
It's chromium and carbon.
What? There's no
No.
iron.
Iron and nickel are there.
Oh, iron, nickel, chromium, carbon.
Yeah. Carbon imparts hardness, whereas chromium and nickel impart luster.
Let's chill.
What is this, man?
Okay, coordinate bond. H3O is a coordinate bond apparently.
Yeah.
What is H3O called?
Hydronium.
Chromium.
Hydronium. A pair of electrons is not shared is called a lone pair. Okay. A covalent bond can also be defined as a bond formed between an ion and an atom of a polar covalent molecule with one or more lone pairs. That makes more sense. So coordinate bonds are not like the molecules formed from coordinate bonds are not stable.
Yeah. Okay.
How do you draw this though?
What do you want to draw?
Don't.
Coordinate bond.
You just put an arrow instead of the line. Like you put a line between H2O, right?
Line with like H, O, and H.
Yeah, between H and O you put one line, right? As a bond, covalent bond.
Yeah.
Instead of the line, you put an arrow
Okay.
pointing towards hydrogen or the electro
H2O.
positive.
So HCl plus H2O gives H3O.
Yep.
Plus Cl minus 1.
Mhm. This is very confusing. What the fuck?
Why? What happened?
No, the way I drew it in my notebook was confusing. Okay, so you write okay. So first you write HCl, it formation of hydronium ion. So you write HCl, which is H plus Cl minus H2O, which is H2O. Do you just what do you write? H plus H plus what H2O H2 plus Cl minus. So, I mean H2 plus O2. Formation of
You want me
hydronium
to
ion
talk, me?
first, like the first step. And you have to put the whole thing in bracket, no? The
Where that?
hydronium ion. Yeah. Or what Santosh sir said here is like you don't have to draw an arrow, you just have to write it without any line.
Yeah. The other ones will have line. That one won't. Yeah.
Wait, one second. Look at this. Yeah. So in my notes,
Yeah.
instead of line, Santosh sir actually did this.
What?
Isn't this wrong?
Wait, what?
That's
How?
like, see, if you do arrow, then you have to do line. The other one is correct. The below one is correct. Like if you're doing that, then you have to put like two crosses.
No, that's not two crosses. That's the
Like
atoms
two
and
electrons. Yeah.
electrons.
He just said that's an alternate method, not that's the wrong method.
Uh, wait, today is Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
अरे यार class है.
Even I do, bro.
Imagine.
From 6 o'clock, bro. Are you shut up, bro. You live in a triple IT, bro. You go to some college student, anybody, bro. Your neighbor can answer your doubts, bro.
Actually,
Your neighbor probably lives there. Why, bro? Guess, bro. Because they're faculty, bro. They can answer your doubt. You calm down.
Mm.
Formation of ammonium ion, I mean ammonia, is just ammonium plus H. No,
Yes. Arey, Nihal,
hydronium is H2O plus HCl.
I came back from tuition one day. This guy calls me. He's like, bro, you're so lucky you get to go to tuition. You can get your doubts cleared. And I was just awestruck, bro. I
No,
was
no. See,
dumbfounded. I was
I
astounded,
don't just walk to.
astonished,
what is it?
flabbergasted.
Bro, Dave is
No
just
one
like,
does that.
He doesn't just walk.
bro, you are just bragging so much.
No, 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 no. Listen, though. You just go to some random dude's house like, yeah. So for hydronium ion, do you use this? Like they'll kick me
Go
out.
to your dad.
If he
Go to
is
his dad.
here,
He's
when
a
he is
wicked.
not here, who will I ask?
Go to Teja.
To be fair,
You
yeah.
think Teja is free like that?
He's in
Yes,
11th. What is he doing, bro?
Fiji. Why
Fiji,
Army
not?
training. Fiji is
Fiji.
fine.
No,
Army
even
training.
worse, worse, worse.
Fiji is doing that. Then it should be related to topic. Go and ask him.
Hey, shut up.
He's trying to get fit for G to get into an IIT when he lives in a triple IIT.
Living in Tripoli doesn't change anything. It's
Yeah, I
like
don't
living
think
in my home out or my home jewel,
my
except
home
not
jewel,
as
yeah,
fancy.
but not as fancy. Yes, my home jewel, one of the oldest yet fanciest my homes.
Oh, that's.
I have half an hour till my class.
Uh, I'll start studying the four compounds. Then.
Yep, I'm done with chemical bonding. Woo.
Wow. I have to do acid bases
Yeah.
and the four
Let's-
compounds. Not all four, only two.
Okay, let's start with acid bases because that is easier.
What all do
Okay.
we have? The first two, metallurgy, acid bases, four compounds.
We have salt, preparation of salts, no?
Yeah, then neutralization, double displacement,
Okay.
displacement,
Acids are defined as
calibration.
compounds which contain one or more hydrogen atoms when dissolved in water produces hydronium ions as the only positively charged ion.
Wow.
Classification of acids, depending on their source, you either have an organic acid, which is a very weak acid like acetic acid or citric acid, or an inorganic acid like hydrochloric acid. Depending on the concentration, they're either concentrated acid or dilute acid.
It's called an
Depending on the
inorganic acid,
basis,
but we have it in our body.
hmm.
Just
See,
like
on the basis of
on the basis of
acidity, we are talking about acids. Why did they just not call it acidity? They have to call it basicity to make it more, even more confusing. Monobasic acids, one hydronium ion. No, basicity is the number of hydronium ions produced in complete ionization. Then we have monobasic, dibasic, and tribasic. Example for monobasic HCl, dibasic H2SO4, tribasic H3PO4. Properties of an
yeah,
acid, physical properties. Sour taste. There are solid and liquid and gas acids. Solid is like boric acid, liquid is sulfuric acid, and gas is HCl.
Who do you think
As
the person who tasted the acids was the same guy or was it like different people? What do you think,
I
bro?
have no idea.
Yeah,
Acid.
full
Okay.
earplugs.
Acids can
Earplugs.
acids can be sorry. Acids have a corrosive effect on skin. HCl turns the skin amber. H2SO4 turns the skin black,
Nihal, are you
and
wearing
HNO3 turns the skin
earplugs?
yellow. Why does HNO3 turn the skin yellow? Because of what
Yes, you
protein?
are. Naughty boy, naughty boy. Wearing earplugs,
Hmm.
naughty boy.
Hey, shut up. Answer my question.
What?
Come on, that is a protein. There's an
What did
acid.
you ask? You lagged on
Why
it
does HN why does HNO3 turn the skin yellow?
because of xanthoprotic acid formed.
Xanthoprotic, yes. Yes,
After
yes.
headphones and glasses. Lovely.
Okay.
Ah,
Indicators. It turns blue litmus red. It turns methyl orange pink and phenolphil
phenol.
phenolphene.
No, it's changed
Phenolphene.
now. It's
Phenolphene.
phenolphthalein.
Phenolphthalein. Okay. It turns phenolphthalein nothing. It doesn't do
Phenolphthalein.
anything.
Phenolphthalein.
Yeah.
It keeps it
Those
colorless.
substances Yeah. Those substances whose odor changes in acidic or basic medium are called olfactory indicators, like onion, vanilla, and clove oil. Now, chemical properties of acid. Reaction with an active metal, it forms salt and hydrogen. So, like Mg plus HCl gives MgCl plus MgCl2 plus X2. Exception, of course, Zn plus HNO3 gives ZnO3, as HNO3 is a strong oxidizing
Acid.
agent. Now, reaction with bases, it neutralizes the base. You know what that is. Reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates forms salt water and carbon dioxide. For sulfides and bisulfides forms salt water and sulfur dioxide. Sulfates, sorry, sulfide, it forms salt and H2S. Chlorides and nitrites, it only reacts with few.
Yeah.
Dilute HCl only reacts with few. Concentrated HCl reacts with the rest. What do they form? I don't know. Now let's come to bases. Base is a
Yes.
substance which reacts with the hydronium ions from an acid to form salt and water only. Basic
Only.
oxide is a metallic oxide. All metallic oxides are basic, except what are the
Except
except ZnO2,
PB
Al, Al2O3, and PbU, which are
litharge.
amphoteric. Hmm. All metal hydroxides are also, and ammonium hydroxide are basic. Alkalis, a basic hydroxide which, when dissolved in water, produces hydroxyl ions as the only negatively charged ions.
Soluble
Wait, basic materials react with the hydronium ion
base.
from an acid to form salt water only. Okay. Classification of bases on the base of their strength. Strong on the basis of their
On
strength.
the basis of the shit. Basis being
Funny.
no no basis being classified on the basis of the shit.
Yes. Strong
Yes.
base and weak base. Strong base ionizes completely in water. Weak base does not ionize
Uh,
completely in water. On the basis of acidity, which I don't know why it's called that. It's the number of hydroxyl ions produced on ionization, monoacidic base, diacidic base, and triacidic base. Properties of base, base slash alkali, physical properties. They have a sharp and bitter taste. Like someone like Gordon Ramsay just like took a base, just says like very sharp, bitter taste, has a bit of sourness to it. Diacidic base produce two OH minus ions, and triacidic base produces three OH minus. Oh, sorry, I repeated this point. Physical properties. They have a sharp bitter taste. Indicators, they turn red litmus blue, methyl orange yellow, and
phenol phenolphthalein.
phenol phenolphthalein pink. They
Pink.
are soapy, as in they're slippery to touch, and they are strong electrolytes.
They're
Chemical
opium.
properties. Hmm?
They're opium.
Soapy,
What's
soapy. Uh,
like
strong
just lost
alkalis,
copyright music? Lol.
strong alkalis absorb carbon dioxide from the air to form carbonates. NaOH plus CO2 gives Na2CO3 plus H2O. They just absorb carbon dioxide from there. Why don't we just spray bases everywhere, bro?
What do
Spray
you mean spray
sodium
bases, bro?
hydroxide everywhere. Global warming solved.
Who said solved?
React with acids to form salt and water.
Sorry?
Shut up. Hmm. They precipitate as insoluble metal hydroxides when added to the solution of salts of the heavy metals. CuSO4 plus ammonium hydroxide gives um, ammonium sulfate plus copper hydroxide, which is the insoluble precipitate. What is the color of copper hydroxide, children?
Black. Huh?
Yes,
Blue.
sir.
Blue.
That no, that's copper sulfate.
Six. Okay. It's black.
Hmm. When alkalis are warmed
It's
with an
like a
ammonium salt, when alkalis are warmed with ammonium salt, ammonium gas is given out. Ammonium chloride plus sodium hydroxide gives salt, water, and ammonia gas. Strength of acids and bases. The pH of we don't have this, no pH.
No, we don't have
Salts.
anything.
Classification. Sorry, a salt is a compound formed by the partial or complete replacement of the ionizable hydrogen of an acid by a metal or an ammonium ion.
Ions.
Classification of salts. Normal salts, the salts formed by complete replacement of hydronium ion, NaCl, MgCl, Na2SO4. Acid salts, salts formed by partial replacement of hydronium ion, NaHSO4. Basic salts, salts formed by partial replacement of hydroxyl group of a polyacidic base,
What?
MgOHCl and PbOHCl. Basic salts are the salts formed by partial replacement of hydroxyl group of a polyacidic base.
Oh, okay. Poly has more than one wala or more than two wala.
Yeah.
And acidic and basic
So,
base.
preparation of insoluble salts. One, by direct combination, metal plus non-metal gives salt. Two, by
Wow.
combining acidic oxide and basic oxide. SO2 plus CaSO3, CO2 plus CO gives CaCO3. By precipitation reaction, soluble salt plus acid soluble salt gives insoluble salt plus acid or salt. BaCl2 plus
What?
H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus 2H.
I did not understand that.
Soluble salt,
Yeah.
soluble salt plus acid or soluble salt gives an insoluble salt and gives out an acid or salt.
Okay.
Acid plus salt gives acid plus salt.
Acid, salt, acid. Correct?
Hmm.
That's all I understand.
Yeah.
In
Acid
this
plus
case,
salt
what
gives
happens?
acid plus. See, acid plus salt gives acid plus salt. Just replace the ions. Like BaCl2 plus
Salt
H2SO4 gives
plus.
BaSO4 plus HCl. CuSO4 plus H2X gives CuS plus H2SO4. By neutralization reaction,
Oh,
that is, we already know. By neutralization with base. Huh?
yes.
It says
Acid
by
plus
neutralization
bases.
reaction with alkali, which is titration, and by neutralization with base, which is just neutralization. By action of alkali on certain metals. And laboratory preparation of some. Do we have laboratory preparation of salts?
No, I don't think so. Check the portion of RICS.
I don't
Because
think so.
if we don't, then chapter has been completed in under 10 minutes. Acid basic salts
Wow.
over.
Sir
Where is
Tarunapani could not compete, bro.
Could not.
laboratory preparation? It's not even there.
It's there in the Viraf J. Dalal textbook.
He's
Last book.
using Selena, no? Guitar
No, but
character.
I know for a fact is there in Viraf J. Dalal textbook because I studied this before I got the secondary textbook.
It's not here.
Hey, wait, I'll show you.
Liar.
हम
Bro dipped.
दिखाता है हम दिखाता है I will show you. I will show you.
I will listen, I will see.
Where is
I'm
it?
too tired, bro. Okay, bro, y'all write chemistry exam. I'm sleeping tomorrow also. Goodbye.
Okay.
Bah.
But you're not coming to tomorrow also.
Yeah, I am.
I'm also don't want to do.
Oh, it's there, no. Page number 53.
Okay.
Where is that laboratory? It's the same thing.
No, it has specific salts like iron 2 chloride, iron 2 sulfate. Do we have that?
No, we don't.
Okay.
Lovely.
So that is done. What should we study next, boys?
Any of the compounds, bro.
Any of the
None at
compounds? You said you want to study. Do you want to study periodic properties?
all. Okay.
Okay, let us
Like,
start.
didn't we just do a test on periodic? Do another compounds. Why are you
Doesn't
doing any
matter.
compound? Come now.
Okay, fine. We'll do compounds.
Bro, periodic
Since
table
we
you can
missed it.
complete so quickly.
That's
What
what
is
we can
ionization
complete.
energy, bro? You tell me.
Ionization, I don't remember.
Amount of energy required to remove loosely held electrons from an isolated
See,
gaseous
I don't remember this.
From a neutral isolated gaseous atom.
See,
down.
that's what no one remembers this. Let's do it again. Come on.
We both literally just answered it.
No, you did not. You failures.
Yes. What
Okay,
is electron affinity, bro?
listen.
The amount
Classification of
of
elements.
energy released when at an
Released,
isolate when a gas is released or absorbed.
absorbed, no? Affinity, no? It wants it.
Yeah, so it's released.
How is it released? It's absorbing, no? It's taking the
I think
electron.
it takes in an electron
Oh,
and
yeah, yeah, yeah.
releases
No,
an.
no, my bad. Yeah, yeah. Released only, released only. Yeah,
The amount of energy released
That's
when an atom of a gaseous atom
yeah. It's trying to take
accepts
an
an
electron from
electron.
another neutral gaseous atom. Isolated neutral gaseous
that's what
atom.
I'm saying. You guys have not studied properly. Let's study one more time.
Bro really does
Classification
not
of
want to do
elements.
compounds.
Classification of elements. Let's start.
I don't mind doing whatever
Classification of elements.
chapter.
The early chemists.
I just want to make Dave do the compounds.
Yeah, I want to say they have doing
Okay. Dobereiner in 1815 arranged the elements into in
Triads
order of
is we
atomic
on
weight.
next up.
They were called Dobereiner. Hey, shut up! Listen in the class I'm speaking. They were called triads. Atomic weight of the
Triads.
element in the middle is the average of the other two. The method was
Oh,
discarded since it did
does
not
not,
hold
does
true for
not,
all the
does not,
elements.
does not,
did not does not.
Does not true hold
does
for all
not,
elements.
got not.
Newland arranged the element in order in a
Octaves,
series of
yes,
atomic
move.
weights in eight these things. They're called octaves, where the
Wow.
property of every eighth element is the same. The method was
Innovative.
discarded because it failed to leave space for undiscovered elements.
Ayo.
Mendeleev also arranged with atomic weights. It's called Mendeleev periodic table, but he could not
But.
justify the position of certain rare earth isotopes. I mean, rare earth metals and isotopes. And finally, mostly
Wait,
arranged
wait, wait,
in
wait, 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 wait,
atomic
wait.
number.
Wait. Tell me the three elements that he
Yeah,
predicted and the names he gave them.
in water.
Mendeleev, he predicted three elements would be discovered. Tell me what three and what was his like naming for them before they
Yeah, it's
discovered.
not given here, bro. Where is it written?
Srinivas sir gave this, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember.
It's even in the educard book, bro. Tell me, bro.
I don't remember. I have the edu card book. Yes.
Go check. If you have.
Tell
Maybe
me.
Nihal.
I don't know, bro.
It was Eka boron, Eka boron, Eka silicon, and Eka I don't know the aluminum. I think, but no, did he predict aluminum? The three he
Okay.
predicted were
Anyway.
germanium, uh, and some other two. It's in my notebook, bro.
Why do you know this?
Because I follow finance, etc. How do you know all of this, man?
Okay.
I follow my man,
Now,
finance, HR.
mostly arranged.
Do you know why I
Mostly.
follow my man, bro?
Shush. mostly arrange elements in increasing order of atomic numbers. It is called the modern periodic table, written in 1912. The modern periodic table. He stated that properties of elements were periodic functions of their atomic numbers,
What?
and method removed most of the defects.
Defects.
Mendeleev had arranged elements in atomic weight, mostly modified the periodic table and and made the elements on the basis of atomic number. Atomic number is equal to the number of electrons in the energy shells of an atom. Salient
Wow.
features of the periodic table: position correlates position of an element with its electronic configuration. It is arranged in periods and groups with 7 periods and 18 groups. Periods are the horizontal and groups are the vertical.
Wow.
Separation. Reactive metals are placed. Wait one second. Periods. Completion of each period is logical since each period begins with an element having one electron in the outermost shell and ends with the electron with completely filled out. So across a period, the number of electrons in the valence shell increases. And groups.
Wow.
Each vertical column accommodates elements with same outer electronic configuration, hence having similar properties. 18 vertical groups are there. So number of shells is groups. I'm assuming.
Number of shells groups are.
Right?
What did you say?
No, periods is groups. What
Period
what
is
what
same
changes with groups? What changes
What
with
did
groups?
in a group. When if you go down, the number of shells increase.
number of
Yeah, number of
shells
shells increase on a
changes?
group.
Yeah. In
Hmm.
period, it'll say the same.
That's what I said. Yeah.
Number of electrons in the shell
No, in
increase.
period it's number of electrons increase.
Yes.
Number
Same
of
If
will
valence
be same.
electrons.
Number of electrons
groups
in the last
1,
cell
2, and
includes valence
13
electrons.
groups 1, 2, and 13 to 17 are called normal elements. Groups
Yes.
3 to 12, not 3 to 12 are called transition elements, and group 18 are
Yes.
noble gases.
Yes.
Reactive metals are placed in group 1A and
One,
2. Transition metals, whatever.
two is.
No one cares. And then the other salient feature is the periodicity of properties. Now, properties of the elements. Do you have to remember each group?
I don't think so.
Just remember the name,
Okay.
the
Just remember,
elements.
just remember the first and 17 and 18.
Hmm. So,
Yeah.
five periodic properties. Number one, atomic radius. The distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell of the atom is called atomic uh, radius, and decreases down a period and increases, sorry, down a group. Yeah.
Why?
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 Because there are more number of electrons. So the
Uh,
no,
Number of
since
shells
there are more number of
increases
protons
numbers.
and electrons, they attract each other more, and hence the atomic radius decreases
yes.
See,
with the same shell, same number of shells, but increase in electrons. So,
what did you say? Period or group, Ray?
Okay. Which is the largest
hmm? Period.
across a period it decreases.
Yeah, it
In
decreases.
a
Yeah,
group,
across the group it increases.
It will
Down the group it
increase.
decreases.
Across like
okay.
down a
What is
group.
the largest atom?
All of
Largest
the
element
above.
is
No, it's
this one.
cesium
No,
or francium. Both of
what is
them
it?
count,
It's fluorine
but
is the smallest atom. No,
Cesium is the largest.
cesium is the largest one.
but
Fluorine is the
but
smallest atom.
Santosh sir didn't
No.
count francium, so I'm saying
Then
cesium only. Yeah,
Hydrogen is the smallest.
smallest is helium or
ionization
fluorine or
potential.
neon.
It is the amount of energy required to one second. The amount of energy required to remove the remove a loosely bound electron from the outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom.
Neutral isolated gaseous atom.
Yep. Neutral gaseous atom.
Yeah, but neutral is
Neutral
not given
isolated
here in text.
gaseous atom.
Yeah, but my sample studies.
Okay, neutral gas, isolated gaseous atom. Factors which affect atomic size, ionization with increase in atomic size, ionization potential decreases. So down a down a group, ionization potential decreases, but across a
I'm
period,
betting you.
ionization potential increases.
I'm literally betting you right now. At least one of these things will come as assertion,
One of the things
Yeah,
will
yeah.
come as
It'll be like,
assertion and reason.
oh,
uh,
fluorine is the
You see
smallest
why?
element,
They have given a reason.
or the smallest size element, and there'll be like atomic size increases down a group.
with, uh, with an
Something
increase
like
in nuclear charge, ionization potential also increases. The nuclear attraction on the outermost electrons increases, hence the outer electrons are more firmly held. Therefore, ionization potential increases.
Yeah.
increases farther you go,
Trends in
na, the
ionization
period.
potential across the period,
Uh,
uh, uh, across what? Across the period, ionization potential increases. Down a group, it decreases. Then, electron
Highest.
affinity.
Hello,
The amount of
hello.
energy
Wait,
released when an
wait,
atom in the gaseous state
Hello,
accepts an
wait.
electron. What?
What is the high? Which
hello,
has the highest? Which has the highest ionization?
फ्लोरीन।
Hello.
बेटा अपन का
Tom.
पहला बार नहीं है ये पढ़ने का, ठीक है, समझ रहे हो? हाँ, फ्लोरीन, ओके, टॉक रही।
The element helium has the highest ionization potential.
Helium is the
आई एम
furthest,
गोइंग टू बीट यू अप ब्रो।
and cesium is the lowest.
So for lowest, everything is
Yeah.
cesium only.
Yep.
Hmm. The term electron affinity is a myth.
The term electron is a myth.
The amount of energy released when an atom in the gaseous state accepts an electron to form an atom is zero.
That, yeah.
Hello,
And
hello,
electron
hello,
affinity of
hello,
zero
hello,
because
hello,
electrons have a stable configuration.
hello.
What has the highest electron affinity then?
Highest is fluorine. No, no, not fluorine. Not fluorine. Chlorine. Chlorine is there. Highest.
Chlorine.
How no?
Chlorine.
Where is
Chlorine.
Fluorine
it
isn't
given?
highest.
Where,
Chlorine
where
is
is
high.
it given?
Sir gave it.
Where no? Chlorine doesn't have
Fluorine is
anything
the
higher.
highest.
Yeah, chlorine has the highest electron affinity because of the
How did?
Yeah.
presence of vacant d orbital.
Vacant what?
Yeah. According to
Vacant.
this, it has the highest. Yeah, it has the highest.
Ah, వెళ్తా ఇప్పుడే ఏంటి టైం ఉంది 55 అట్లా అయితే కూడా ఓకే
Okay. And the final,
వెళ్తా
this thing is electronegativity. The tendency of an atom to attract electrons to itself is electronegativity.
When?
Atomic size increases, electronegativity decreases. Atomic size increases, electronegativity decreases. So down a group, electronegativity increases, but across a period, electronegativity decreases.
No, it decreases down a group and increases across a period.
Hey, when atomic size increases, electronegativity decreases. Yeah, sorry. Huh? Okay.
Ah,
ఆ?
So,
okay.
so
ఆ,
it electronegativity.
it
No, no.
is
It's a
inversely
tendency to
proportional.
attract electrons. So, when the atomic size decreases, the electronegativity should decrease. No,
No, it should increase.
It should increase.
it's a tendency. If I have more electrons on the outermost shell and they're more concentrated, an
Yeah.
electron comes here, it'll repel. But if it's more spaced
How will
out,
it
then
repel
it'll
ray?
Are, tell me this. Will fluorine attract electron or will sodium?
sodium.
Ah,
Huh?
hi,
Sorry,
hi,
Sodium
hi,
electron.
hi.
makes a
Sorry,
Wow,
light.
sorry, sorry, sorry,
so
sorry, sorry.
beautiful, so elegant, just
No,
sounding
see,
like a wow.
Across a period, it increases.
but how does that make sense?
Are, because, what do you say?
See,
Fluorine is like
Nihal,
this, no?
imagine this.
Fluorine is like this,
I
no?
have
Understand?
a fluorine is like
Fluorine is like
this. So the
this.
electrons are more tightly packed, which means if
Yeah.
I try to bring an electron near it, it won't go in as
Wait, wait,
easy.
wait. Listen.
But at the same time,
Electrons are like this, no? Wait, wait.
nuclear,
Electrons are
well,
like this and all. The orbit is like this.
Hmm.
Nucleus is in the
Yes.
center. It has a high thing, no?
Yes.
High,
nuclear charge.
a high nuclear charge is there. So this will be there. If you bring one electron near it, since there is a lower amount of atomic radius, the nuclear charge will affect a further area. hence drawing in electrons from far. Boom.
No, but
Electronegativity explained.
I can use the same logic and say since the atomic radius is lower, bro, the ionization potential and electron affinity is higher. The energy required to put an electron in is higher. So
No,
that means
that's
it's
No,
repelling
it's
more.
lower.
Array,
Or is it higher? I don't know.
atomic,
I have no idea. Wait.
yeah, atomic size increases, electron affinity decreases, which means the smaller the atom, the higher the electron affinity,
Yeah, that's what
which
I'm
means it
saying for
takes more.
electronegativity also.
No,
affinity is
it takes more energy to put the electron in. How does that make sense?
energy is released when you put an electron in, not absorbed.
Ionization potential, the amount of energy required to put an atom.
To
Yes,
remove
to
an
remove.
Yeah.
electron. Bro,
See,
first learn.
electron affinity, wait, wait, electron affinity is the energy that the atom is releasing to grab that one from another atom. So chlorine and sodium is there, no?
I'll tell
Chlorine
you
is
simply.
using its electron affinity to grab an atom from sodium.
See, as you go across a period, the amount of protons in the nucleus increases
Hmm.
and
See,
pulls
don't see it
electrons.
like that. Just see it like electronegativity is what? Tendency to drag electrons its way. If you
Ah,
have if you have seven valence electrons, do you want to achieve 8 or 0, bro? 8,
8.
no? Yeah. You need one more. Take that one more. You'll become negative. That's it, bro. Done.
Okay.
Done deal,
So
bro.
electronegativity increases across a period and decreases on a group.
Yes,
Yes.
down a group.
It
Now
is
that's it.
also inversely proportional to atomic size.
That's it. No end of
Now how?
chapter.
No, no, wait. Now I can explain you how. Okay, yeah. Now that I understood it myself. Yeah. Okay. So see, sodium and chlorine is there, no? Atomic
Hmm.
size. Who's bigger? Who's smaller?
Uh, Chlorine has a
Chlorine,
bigger atomic.
sodium.
Sorry, sodium has a.
Who's smaller? Chlorine and
Yes,
sodium.
chlorine is smaller. Chlorine is smaller.
Yes, chlorine is smaller. Now, who has higher electronegativity? It's chlorine, sodium.
Chlorine.
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 That's it, bro. Smaller atomic
Okay.
size, more electronegativity.
Okay.
Higher nuclear charge, higher electronegativity. That's it.
Okay. Now, that's the end of the chapter. No, or do you also have metallic and non-metallic character?
We
I
have that.
think we do. Wait, wait. What are the five? What are the five periodic properties? Tell me.
Atomic size, ionization potential, electronegativity, electron affinity, and
Metallic and non-metallic.
metallic and non-metallic property. Okay.
How is that five? Don't ask me.
Metallic and non-metallic is one.
Yeah.
Okay. Metallic character is electropositivity and non-metallic character is electronegativity. So metallic character decreases across a group, increases down a period.
Yeah.
Yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Same only.
This thing which causes everything else.
Now, what is carbon and silicon fall under?
Carbon, carbon is a non-metal, but silicon is a metal.
Yes. Very nice. Good boy.
Yeah.
Which element has the highest metallic property, bro?
Highest
Cesium,
metallic
Buddhism.
will be
Cesium.
lithium, no? Lithium.
Or lithium, right?
Hmm.
It increases down a group, no? Yeah, you want to
Um,
lose the electron.
Yeah, it
yeah.
increases.
So, cesium only. Yeah.
It's like ionization potential with the latest version.
Cesium is wait, francium is not counted because it's radioactive. No.
Radioactive. Yeah, radioactive metal.
Yeah.
Cerium
Goofy
is
apple, bro. Could have had all
radioactive.
of cesium's.
Wait, chlorine has the
Thing.
highest what?
Nothing.
Electron
How
affinity.
is chlorine, right?
Electron
How
affinity.
chlorine shouldn't it be fluorine?
Because it's the
Hydrogen has the smallest atomic radius. Uh,
Ah, yeah, wait,
helium
wait.
has the
Explain why
smallest
electron affinity of chlorine is greater than
ionization
fluorine.
potential.
Atomic size of fluorine is very small due to which there's a strong inter-electronic repulsion and has to face electronic repulsion due. It has strong what?
the chlorine
Okay,
has a
chlorine
d
is an
orbital.
exception. That's it, bro. Chlorine is exception. One fell off.
So it has a d orbital.
No, that's what this says. It's like, where is it? Yeah, here only. Halogens have high electron affinity values, but it decreases down the group. But chlorine is one exception.
Oh, it's not an exception, bro.
It says
There's
it's an
a
exception. No, no, it is an exception. No, fluorine should be higher than EA.
no, but fluorine doesn't have a d orbital.
Exactly.
Fluorine has.
Yes, exactly. Which is
Chlorine
why.
doesn't.
What?
Chlorine has a d orbital. Fluorine
How does it
doesn't
have a
have a d.
D orbital, Ray?
D orbital means it is after 18.
18.
No, wait, not after 18. Like, what do you call that ray?
How is that D,
Yeah,
bro?
sir
It
said
starts
the
only
highest
at K.
electron affinity is fluorine.
I'll tell you
Like,
what,
so,
d orbital is anything which is a transition metal. Okay. Anything after the
Bro,
first transition metal.
bro, not going to lie, bro. Don't the orbit start from K, bro?
no, that's orbitals. That's different from orbits.
Yeah,
What is an
that's
orbital?
Orbital
uh,
SPDF.
yeah,
Don't
yeah.
ask, bro.
Don't ask.
Don't
Amma, that
ask.
SP should we have that SP, huh?
No,
No, no.
we don't have SPDF. No, thank God we don't.
I'm not trying to remember. I use SP,
Bro,
this
Very happy
bro,
to.
NS,
number, quantum number,
9E,
azimuthal number.
5E, this D. Amma.
So thank God we don't have that. But when if you go to like 11th and 12th in Fiji, they'll be like, oh, what is SPDF? You all know, no kids. You learned in your
Tell me.
previous classes.
We all learned this once.
You all learned in your previous grade classes SPDF.
Yeah, yeah.
Fucking bullshit, bro.
Ah, itna.
But to be fair, Fiji Express you know everything. Huh?
Yeah. No, they teach you nothing. They'll be like, oh, you learned in your school previous classes, no?
We learned this in
Yeah,
the fifth grade, bro.
No,
It's fine. Calm down.
fifth
We
grade.
learned this in your fifth
As
grade. Just chill.
quantum numbers. You learned in fifth, fourth grade SPDF
Yes.
subshells.
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
SPDF was fifth grade. Quantum mechanics was in the third. You should
Quantum
know that.
mechanics class. All those IB kids, bro. They just have fancy names for normal subjects. If they learn about periodic period table, no quantum properties of elements.
Quantum
That's what it will be
physics
called.
and probabilities of elements. Young.
No, you know how Srinivas sir called radioactivity nuclear physics to make it sound cool? That's the entirety of IB.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
They teach the exact same thing. It's not like they have some revolution, nothing. The same syllabus, but they have cool names.
No, they have Victorian era, bro. IB.
Yeah.
To be
They
fair,
use Victorian eras.
like some
They have the
random kids.
French Revolution. We had that in a book last year. No, not last
Yeah.
year. Last year. The Scarlet Pimpernel.
Uh, Scarlet. What?
Okay, stop it. Okay, bro. I got to go. Busan.
Okay. My bro.
Thank you for tuning into today's long recording of us talking.
And are you recording
Featuring,
this?
yeah, this has been recording.
Oh,
Featuring
what?
old joinee Dev Datton and new joinee slash guest might be, who knows, Nihal Shivakumar.
Nihal Shivakumar.
Thank